In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the Steam pending transaction error. This is a common issue that many users face while trying to make purchases on Steam, and I'll guide you through a few simple steps to resolve it quickly. Before we start, make sure you have your Steam app installed on your device and your login credentials handy. First, let's open your Steam application. If you haven't launched Steam yet, go ahead and do so now. Once you're on the main page of the Steam app, you'll need to log in. Look for the login button, usually located at the top of the page. Clicking on it will take you to the login screen where you'll be prompted to enter your account name and password. Ensure you type these details accurately to avoid any further issues logging in. After you've input your information, simply click on the sign in button. You should now be successfully logged into your Steam account and directed to your home page. At this stage, navigate to the top right corner where you will find your profile name. Click on it and a drop down menu will appear. From this menu, select account details. This is where you can manage your account and importantly view your purchase history. Once you are in the account details section, locate and click on view purchase history. Here you'll find a list of all your transactions. Scroll through your transaction history until you spot the pending transaction in question. Clicking on this transaction should provide you with more details about the purchase. Sometimes all that's required is to wait a bit longer for the transaction to process. It might be a temporary hiccup on Steam's side, so giving it a little time can sometimes do the trick. If waiting doesn't resolve the issue, you might need to consider cancelling the purchase and trying again. There should be an option to cancel the pending transaction. Once that's done, try to make the purchase once more from the beginning. If you're still facing issues, your last resort is to contact Steam support directly. To do this, submit a Steam ticket through their support system. Be sure to provide all the necessary details concerning the transaction in question. Steam support is generally responsive, but keep in mind it might take a little time to get a response. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the pending transaction error on Steam. Remember, patience is key, and sometimes the simplest solutions like waiting or retrying can be the most effective. Thank you for watching and happy gaming.